of the lessons that ask you to work with AI, you can come back to this video and kind of remember what I walk you through. So ChatGPT is an AI language model that's developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text based on input it receives. So input, remember, is the information or the prompt that you're typing out. So this means that the information generated by the AI is a result of your instructions. So let's begin with a simple task. We're going to ask AI to generate some information. So task 1 is we're going to pick one of the two AIs, and I use ChatGPT, so I'm going to go with that. But please feel free to explore Poe.com and see how that works. Okay, you're going to modify your questions 3 times to see how the AI responds. So I'm going to go to step 1. So step 1 is asking AI to define artificial intelligence. So we're going to open the AI, we're going to start a new task, and we're going to type in this question. So I'm coming over to my AI. I'm going to make it bigger for a second. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to say, well, you can greet it, you can say hi and see what it does. And then we're going to ask this question. What is artificial intelligence? So it's going to give me a long information about artificial intelligence. Okay, so see all of that stuff that we're getting from it, it's going to narrow it down and tell us what weak AI is, what generative AI is, and what super intelligent AI is. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come back to your credit and you're going to you're going to read the responses carefully, and you're going to think about what it told you. Did it make sense? Was it easy to understand? So let's adapt. 1, you're going to read what your AI told you, and then we're going to add a different question. So you can add questions about benefits. What are the benefits of artificial intelligence? I'm going to copy that, but I want to look at general AI. So we're going to say, what are the benefits of using general AI? And then it's going to give me more questions, more information. So you see, you're just letting it run and run and run and seeing what it does. It's giving you a whole bunch of information. It's talking about healthcare, creativity, human AI interaction, economic growth, improving the quality of life. It's a lot of information, right? So I'm going to copy this question because that's what I asked it. And I'm going to paste it on my credit. Try to use Word font that I can actually read when you're doing it, because it is kind of hard to read these sometimes. And remember, try not to use black on this. So it's giving me these benefits, but I'm actually going to write my paper on the benefits of AI in the education system. So I'm going to redo this question. What are the benefits of using general AI in education? So there's another question I'm asking it, and it's going to give me a whole bunch of information again. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to copy this because this is the second question I asked it. And what you're doing in this activity is you're learning how to be a prompt engineer. So it's giving me information on personalizing learning, enhancing tutoring and support, advanced assessment and feedback. So this is kind of focused on teacher view. So I'm going to say in education as a student, because I don't want to know the teacher part. I want to know the student part, right? So I'm going to copy that third one, and it's going to write it down and give me a bunch. But you know what? I realize I don't want 10 benefits. So I'm going to tell me what are 3 benefits of using general AI as a student, and we're going to go forward from there. So you can see the different ways that I've adapted this question to meet the needs that I need. So this is what you're doing in each of these different tasks that have you working with AI, and you probably have 2 or 3 of them. Okay, and then when you're done that, you're going to answer these questions. Did you find the AI helpful? So I'm going to be honest, in the beginning, it was not that helpful because it gave me too many examples that were irrelevant to me. And I always misspelled because, so we're just going to use our computer to help us with that. Okay? Did the AI ever give you a confusing or unclear answer? Yes, some of its answers were unclear because, and then explain. Why was it unclear? Was it something you did? Was it that you needed to add more information? Was it didn't understand the prompt? And then finally explain what is something new you learned from the AI about artificial intelligence. So we're going to say something new I learned. Oops, I deleted the wrong thing. All right, maybe I didn't. Something new I learned about AI is boom, boom, boom. Okay. These questions are guided to get you to understand your thinking in AI and how you can use it to help you. But you have to learn how to be a good prompt engineer.